Brief, accurate and important news of today's Sunday. Acting Minister of National Defense met with Turkish Ambassador Jihad Ercan in Kabul. In this meeting, the Acting Minister of National Defense expressed his appreciation for the humanitarian aid and economic collaboration from the country. He also talked about the strengthening of bilateral association, more economic cooperation in the future. The value of the Afghani against foreign currencies has increased tremendously. The officials of Kabul Sar Shahzada say in the statement that the performance of the regular policy by the Bank of Afghanistan, the auction of dollars and the reduction of the customs tax on coal are the reason for the increase in the value of the Afghani. Minister of Public Health says at Farah Provincial Hospital the Special Intensive Care Unit ICU was opened. The Ministry of Finance says that the facilitation have been mentioned in Kabul Custom during the producers of customs documents. Kabul Municipality says the construction work of the second part of Jabar Khan Canal has started. Maulavi Atikullah Amizi, Minister of Culture in art, visited different parts of Herat Jamia Masjid. In this visit, the head of information and culture of this province has asked for the restoration of the park in some other parts of this mosque. The Supreme Court of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan stated that during the past 4 weeks, the Court of Bamiyan province issued 289 documents in addition to resolving 76 cases.